Hello, Skyler here, and this time we are going to find out about a bird, the egret. Generally, these water birds have long legs, long necks, and a long bill with a short tail. However, their looks will change depending on the kind. Classified under herons, there are 4 different types of egrets, which will determine where they are found. They are very well distributed, ranging from North, Central, and South America, Africa, Australia, Asia, and some parts of Europe. As social birds, it is common to find them in flocks. They will even be found socializing with other water birds. Their diet consists of fish, small snakes, amphibians, insects, and invertebrates. There is a specific kind of egret called the cattle egret, which is more adapted to life on the ground rather than by the water. This specific type will stay close to grazing animals. A grazing animal eats vegetation in a certain way. The type of grazing animal will depend on where the egret is located. In North America, they are usually found around cattle or horses, but in other continents, cattle egrets can follow elephants, camels, zebras, deers, and others. The egret will place itself in dry fields while the animal eats grass. As the animals move and eat, they disturb the insects on the land. The egret takes advantage of this and eats those insects. This is why you can see these birds close to those animals. The cattle egret will also be called differently depending on which animal they are associated with. For example, they can also be called elephant bird, the rhinoceros egret, or the hippopotamus egret. Did you know that Jesus is always close to you? Do you know that Jesus is always willing to help you? Did you know that Jesus promised to never leave you? Just like the egret is close to grazing animals, Jesus is always close to you. He is there when you are happy, He is there when you are sad. He is there when you are eating, He is certainly there when you are struggling. In the Bible, Jesus says, "And surely I am with you always to the very end of the age." Until the very end, Jesus is there. So when you are facing situations, you can remember that Jesus is with you.